Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to get into the void state every night. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. You are literally having a one-on-one conversation with me, where we focus on your desires without having to wait, because you deserve your desire today. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click on the second link in the description box down below. I know you want to. The void state is a powerful gateway to manifesting your desires instantly. It aligns with the practice called state akin to sleep, or SATS for short, making it accessible each night before you drift off to sleep. In essence, the void state is pure, unfiltered consciousness. It is the moment you reconnect with your true self, simultaneously becoming everything and nothing. This profound state of meditation allows you to step beyond the physical state. If you have experienced meditation, this process may seem familiar. Typically, you close your eyes, you listen to one noise, and you bring back any and all thoughts back to that noise. You focus on your breath and you become aware of your body. Similarly, Neville Goddard's approach to the void state uses the simple affirmation, I am. As you prepare for sleep and enter the impressionable space that SATS provide, you're more open to receiving a deep inspiration and feeling the reality of your dreams. Okay, so this is how you do it. In complete stillness and darkness, continue repeating I am, I am, I am as you drift towards sleep. The key here is unconditional surrender to the moment without trying to force any outcomes. As you softly repeat the phrase, you will begin to feel a shift in awareness, a rise in your consciousness. This rise might feel like floating, or a sense of bliss, or even a sense of euphoria. While these sensations may keep you awake initially, with guidance, they become familiar. So I want you to practice this every night. This will guide you deeper into this heightened state of awareness. In this space, allow yourself to receive inspiration that transcends ordinary thought. You are not pushing for ideas, they just arise naturally. They will be filled with love and purity. These flashes of inspiration are literally your higher subconscious mind and your higher self and God nudging you toward your higher timeline, your higher self. As you begin to visualize, that experience will start to feel so vivid and so real that you lose touch with your physical 3D reality. And when you finally emerge from the void state, it feels as though you've returned from an entirely different realm, leaving you profoundly connected to your inner power. Here are a few tips to help you stay in the void for longer. Number 1, practice. Practice, practice, practice. Like any form of meditation, entering and staying in the void state takes practice. Don't get frustrated if you don't feel anything straight away. Keep repeating I am nightly, and soon it'll become second nature. Number 2, don't force the experience. The more you force yourself into the void, the harder it becomes. Let the experience come to you naturally. It should feel effortless. The void is not something you control, it's something you allow. Number 3, surrender to the moment. When you're in the void, surrender to any thoughts, images, or sensations that arise. Trust that the insights you receive are literally guiding you to your higher self, your highest subconscious mind, and all of your manifestations. To sum it up, the void state is an incredible space of pure consciousness where you can manifest, receive inspiration, and experience a profound connection with your higher self. By practicing the simple steps steps of focusing on your breath and repeating the I am mantra and allowing the experience to unfold naturally, you will be able to tap into this powerful state night after night. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.